Cracking the Code of Intensive Pronouns, an easy guide. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we'll be taking a close look at a special type of pronoun, the intensive pronouns. Our goal is to understand what they are, how they are used, and to get familiar with some practical examples. Intensive pronouns are a kind of reflexive pronoun. They refer back to the subject of the sentence and are used to add emphasis. In English, we have myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, yourselves, and themselves. Remember, the purpose of these pronouns is to add intensity to the subject. Intensive pronouns are placed immediately after the noun or pronoun they are emphasizing. They aren't necessary for the sentence's basic meaning, but they give extra information. Let's look at an example. 1. I myself will handle the entire project. In this sentence, myself is an intensive pronoun. It's emphasizing the subject, I, and the responsibility it's undertaking. Now, let's look at more examples to better understand intensive pronouns in action. 1. The dog opened the door itself. 2. The twins built the model airplane themselves. 3. You yourself said that the pie was the best you've ever had. 4. The president himself attended the event. 5. We will finish this task ourselves. In each of these examples, the intensive pronoun is adding emphasis to the subject. To make sure that a pronoun is truly an intensive pronoun, you can remove it from the sentence. If the sentence still makes sense, then it's an intensive pronoun. Let's try that. 1. The dog opened the door. 2. The twins built the model airplane. 3. You said that the pie was the best you've ever had. 4. The president attended the event. 5. We will finish this task. As you can see, all of these sentences still make sense without the intensive pronoun. This proves that the pronouns we identified are indeed intensive pronouns. So, that wraps up our discussion on intensive pronouns. These special pronouns are a powerful tool for adding emphasis in your sentences. Remember to always place them immediately after the noun or pronoun they're emphasizing. And remember, if you can remove it and the sentence still makes sense, then you've used an intensive pronoun correctly. I hope this video was helpful, and as always, keep practicing to improve your understanding of English grammar. See you next time.